Hello everyone, greeting from Johnson. Today we would like to introduce our battery strapping machine, item number DD19. This machine is with one machine, two battery and one charger. It works for both PET straps and PP straps. Here is digital control. F1 is standing for the welding time, and F1 is standing for the tension force, and F2 is standing for welding time. It can control by these two buttons. It works for the straps wide from 12 to 19. Now I'll show you how to operate it. This button here is for tensioner. This one here is to welding and cut the straps. First of all, you need to put the straps on. Like this. Put both of them in the same line and you press this handle. Put the strap onto the machine. Press the tensioner here, this tension button. Okay, press. Okay, the light is shining. After that, it's finished. You press the button here. Press it. Remove it. See? It's wearing too long, so you see the powders of the straps fall off. That's all. Thank you for watching.